Hello friends, welcome to the Expiry Update podcast at Kotak Securities. This is Sahaj Agrawal. So after the initial breakdown below 17,600 in the early part of April, Nifty has now failed to make any strong reversal attempt in the short term. Because of which continued selling pressure with a negative bias continues. Though for the medium term we continue to remain positive and suggest buying on dips on opportunity basis. For the short term, for the April series, we don't see any respite. We await for short-term parameters to mature as we enter into the May series post the expiry session. From there, we could possibly get some indications of taking an aggressive stance. Currently, sectors like banking and energy provide certain strong entry opportunities, while overall we believe IT stocks continue to trade with weakness. Now, coming on to some option pointers for the expiry session. Data suggesting strong resistance for Nifty placed at 17,315. There is no short resistance closer to the current price that the market is actually indicated yet, and that's why we stick to the level of 17,315. On weekly basis, the open interest build-up is seen at 17,000 put and 17,100 and 17,200 call options. For Bank Nifty, the open interest build-up is seen at 36 put and 36,500 call options. So basically the indicative range as per the options data is 17,000, 17,200 for Nifty. And for Bank Nifty, it's 36,000, 36,500. The FI and Pro segment both have witnessed mixed activity both in the index options and in the index futures segment. In index futures, we've seen reduction of net short positions, whereas in index options also a similar pattern is seen. Hence, there's no clear-cut trend for the short term from the FI and Pro segment. So, all in all, for the expiry day, we expect range-bound movement with support placed at 17,000. And if you keep some margin of safety, then we can consider 16,900, and resistance is placed at 17,300. So, overall, a range-bound session is expected with lack of aggression on either side movement, and 17,300 being the key momentum resistance level for the short term. Thank you and have a nice trading session.